My name is Matt Greever, and I'm a product application specialist here at Tinius Olsen. Beside me, you can see our Evotech Model 1330. This machine is a closed-loop, force-controlled load cell system, and it can take care of your Rockwell, superficial Rockwell, and some Baby Brinell seals. This machine comes equipped with a 150mm protruding testing hose that actually has a load cell installed directly on the tip for more accurate readings. This machine also applies load in a linear fashion rather than a lever construction. This machine comes with a 400mm working height along with a 200mm throat depth for your taller or wider samples. To turn this machine on, simply look to the back of the machine where you will see a red power switch. Once you flip that on, once your machine is booted up into the listed environment, it will automatically open your Horizon 3 Hardness software. Once that software boots up, it will ask you to log in. Now that you are logged in, you can start running tests.